Dr. Tucker. The question that keeps coming up lately is why I should buy this particular product. Why should I buy PowerMind, Dr. Tucker? What is it about PowerMind that sets it apart really from other products? I just like to go ahead and give you a couple reasons off the top of my head. The first and foremost reason is there's really nothing like it on the marketplace. It is standalone as far as the marketplace is concerned. It is a very nutrient-dense product. The combinations of vitamins and minerals and amino acids is very powerful. Secondly, the low-dose herbs that provide synergism for liver and adrenal function, as well as blood cleansing, is unique. Most herbal preparations are prepared for their pharmaceutical properties rather than their helper properties. At pharmaceutical doses, they become no different than taking medicines. Using herbs synergistically with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids unlocks the herb's greater potential to help in the healing process, in my opinion. Thirdly, the fiber blend and amount of fiber is unheard of in a nutrient powder, such as PowerMind. 8 grams of fiber per serving is at least 2 grams more per serving of any other powder I've seen on the market. No one has the blend of oat and rice bran, psyllium, cruciferous vegetables, and apopectin that PowerMind has. Most products don't even offer 2 types of fiber, let alone 5. In the fourth place, it tastes pretty good. I can drink it by itself in water, although I like to take it with weak orange juice if I can. I've seen other products on the market that come a little bit close to PowerMind as far as the nutrient density of it. But basically, it tastes like free-range chicken without the chicken, just the range part. Fifthly, with the nutrient density of PowerMind, the herbs and the fiber, you have a product that has a variety of uses, and thus can be used by a greater percentage of the general population. PowerMind is a great general supplement, and the majority of the population can use it just for that. You can also use it as a meal replacement when you're trying to lose weight. You can double, triple, or quadruple the daily dosage to help you with your workout, with muscle gain, with endurance, and even recovery times after you've done a specific event. You can do a one-day body cleanse with this. The fiber in this is great. Over a period of a single day, taking a large amount of the product gives you a significant amount of fiber, which really helps to clean out the colon. And basically, you can use it to stay regular. You can try replacing replacing Metamucil or some such regularity product with PowerMind. I think you'll find it very, very effective. Lastly, and probably most importantly in today's economy, is it's very cost effective. I have paid as much as $70 per can of PowerMind in the past and still considered it a bargain. These are just some of the things that, off the top of my head, I can think of that make PowerMind a superior product and really should answer the question as to why I should buy this product.